Welcome to Ngoboteni 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. Please subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Ngoboteni 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Polokwane City North. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, my leader. How are you?
Good, man. Yeah,
Good.
2-0 Sundowns. Yeah, your take on the game tonight?
A good game from both the teams. Good game from Polokwane City. It's unfortunate Sundowns was too much strong. If you look at Polokwane City, I think Polokwane City has a little bit improved from the team that I saw last season in the early stages of the league.
Yeah.
The team that was coached by, I don't remember who was the coach before, Letlonle really took over.
Yeah.
But I think they're really doing very better with Coach Putimo Hafe. This is the coach that many people didn't trust. If you remember the last time they played here, even the chairmen of the club didn't trust him. You remember the call that was got to him. But I think he's doing very well. He's before I don't know where he's positioned right now, but before he playing this game he was position number 4. So you can see teams from Limpopo are really doing very well. You see the likes of Mamelodi coming into the game. It's unfortunate each and every time when he plays in Loftus, he has a bad game. You remember last game he scored an own goal.
Yeah.
Today I was with him. He said he didn't have a good game, and I also can see he didn't have a good game. But the team, Mamelodi Sundowns were scared of him. They never wanted to use his side. They were already
and they were happy when he was subbed.
Yeah, they didn't even want to use his side. If you watch many times, they were using the side Akatapelo Morena to attack. Lukaku was always been that side. So you can see it's a player that they fear, and I believe tomorrow when we wake up, we hear Uko Bruce announcing the Bafana last 24. I wish the boy be there. I wish Mamelodi to be there. I know there are some other players like Abunyiko Mobi, but you can tell, I think this boy is doing very well to deserve to be there. If we are going to judge like collabs via how are you performing, I believe he deserves to be there. Look at the likes of Abo Chauke, getting many chances going forward. Dangerous, that guy. It's unfortunate finishing high. He needs to work on his finishing. The body, the weight, the run. Sometimes you see there's some runs he need to make, but unfortunately the body cannot allow him. You check the likes of Abo Kambala, quality players, stable in the bringing stability to the midfielder. The captain in the defense doing also very good. The goalkeeper Yabona Osapunga doing very good that side. Like the holding Yahya Munandi is unfortunate. The first goal that he like holding high was not good. He failed to hold the ball, then lost the ball. Then go into Mamelodi Sundowns. Like how can you talk about Mamelodi Sundowns? Quality team, that thing. So that's why they played very well, Polokwane City, but it's unfortunate Mamelodi Sundowns was way better than them. Because if you check Mamelodi Sundowns right now, the current Mamelodi Sundowns, I think one point that Coach Mangaba needs to want to prove to the people is that you don't need to buy 60 million players, 50 million to win the league. You only need quality, and quality sometimes is not expensive. Look at the players that he's using. Players that I believe they played a big role in this game. It's this guy, the defender, Malibonge Koza. Quality player from the DDC, joined the team as a 12-year-old. You can see that the stability that he brings, good defense, the defensive awareness, like always that awareness, the passes that he delivers, quality player. Look at Ulikagu, going forward, always dangerous. Entry boxer high, always dangerous. Chances that he create many dangerous, but work on the conversion rate. Score 2 goals today. I mean, you don't need. I mean, there's a striker sales. You bought sales by 60 million, but failing to even put one shot on target.
Imagine,
But a player from your DDC that shows to us, where as South Africa, we need to test our very own talent. We don't need to always expose the talent. So you can see. I think it's unfortunate. I don't know the structures of our football are not well aligned. But I believe if our structures of football are well aligned, our teams, the under 23 could have been dominating the world right now. Because you can see we have Abonkota, we have William Mufukeng, being sing up with Mfunda Vilagazi, Sam Kalozwani. We really have those young players who can very play. You see, so we need to start trusting our very own talent. So I think today's game they just play very well. Rowan Williams, you cannot talk about Rowan Williams. This is the best goalkeeper currently in the country. I mean, he was in the first row, Coco Ballon d'Or in France, number 9 best in the world. So give credit to him. Good goalkeeper, like good attacker. Also,
starting as number 5 today.
Straight. Even you can see sometimes I think you got the picture by the camp. There was sometimes he was coaching the defense, was coaching them on the set pieces, was coaching them, and that's what the very same thing I saw in FNB. Because sometimes, my leader, remember as a supporter, from the side that you are, you don't see the game the very same way the coach is seeing it. From the side that the coach is seeing it, it's not the very same way that the referee is seeing it. So I believe Rowan Williams play a very huge role at Ento. We're still waiting for him to lose a game while he's in the post of the team this season. But unfortunately, I'm in love with the way Mangoba is doing to the club. I'm in love. Don't spend too much money. Just trust your own product. Sundowns.
Exactly,
The development,
exactly,
the chances that he's giving to the young kids, I'm very, very impressed with that
And
thing.
it's the future for Bafana Bafana. He's gonna assist, the country.
That's the thing. That's what I always say. Hani, is there any law that says if you are 19 years old, you are 21 years old, must not start in Bafana Bafana? Because okay, Bruce, we see you're calling Relebile Mufukeng, but why putting him on the bench? Give him chance to show his quality. The boy has already proven himself. Give him chance. That's gonna open doors for Meyi. That's gonna open doors for Abonkota to come in there.
Exactly.
So, but I'm very, very impressed with how Sundowns play. I'm very, very impressed with how Polokwane City plays. I'm very impressed with Coach Puti Mohafe. I understand him very well. His football, I love his football. The way he plays his football, my leader.
Beautiful, my brother. Thank you very much. Good analysis as always.
Thank you, my leader.
Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers.